Who needs hours when you've got 60 seconds? The origins of chicken 65 are shrouded in mystery and debates. Some claim it originated in Chennai as a dish served in military canteens during the 1965 India-Pakistan war, hence the name Chicken 65. And others claim it was introduced in a Chennai hotel named Buhari in 1965. However, its exact origin remains uncertain, with its various anecdotes and theories contributing to its mystery. Regardless of its origin, Chicken 65 has become a beloved and popular dish known for its spicy and flavorful taste. And for all your Chicken 65 cravings, Delfrez has the perfect rendition for this iconic dish.